Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do Fab Fit Fun unboxing. I am super stoked about this. This is my favorite box and we get to open it today. Before we jump right in, I'm just gonna do an overview on FabFitFun. If you don't know what FabFitFun is, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription, lifestyle and beauty subscription box, and it's $49.99 a season, or you can do an annual subscription and that's $179.99. So you save about $20. If you guys want to do FabFitFun, I have a code for you guys in the description box below, and you can use that to get $10 off your first FabFitFun box. So yeah, let's jump right in. So we got this beautiful box to open, and I'm gonna get out my huge knife and we're just gonna open it up because I have not opened it yet, and we'll put this away. Yeah, this is a gorgeous box. Like, it's super fun for summer. Summertime is here, especially here in Texas. It's like 100 degrees and I am feeling the vibes here. Let's open this up. Woo! That is really pretty. It says FabFitFun, Taste of Summer. It has a little pamphlet. It's like a little magazine. I usually don't look at this until the end because this tells you everything that's in the box and all the prices. So this is a little postcard that you can send somebody if you want to tell them about FabFitFun. And then it says, share to win FabFitFun. Hashtag FabFitFun. It's a little strawberry sticker. And that is what it looks like right there. It's not the prettiest opening, but just open that up right here. I'm gonna put the box down. We're gonna dive right in. I do know most of what's in this box because I'm an annual member. Every season they send you a choice of what like color you want, product you want versus another product, and you get to choose. So I do know probably like most of this box. I think there might be a couple things in here I don't know about, but we will see. So the first product looks like it's from Pier 1, and I don't think I know what this is. Let's open it up together. What is this little guy? Ooh, this is cute. This looks like a little jewelry dish. That's really cute. I could always use more of these on my counter, in my bathroom, or next to the kitchen sink. I could put my rings on it when I'm cooking, because I'm always like throwing my wedding rings into the drawer in the kitchen, and that'll be more of a pretty way to put my rings away. I knew this was in the box. This is Maji Sports, and this is a resistance band. And I'll take that out of the package. This will definitely be something I can use. These are really nice to build muscle and get toned. I'll be using this. All right, so these go together. This was like one of the choice items. This is from Tarte Cosmetics, and this is a little Tarte eyeshadow palette. I've been wanting this eyeshadow palette for like over a year, and I just keep like putting it off because it is $23. I think it is $23 on Sephora, and I'm always like, man, I don't really know if I'm gonna drop $23 for a little eyeshadow palette, but I've been wanting this, so I'm like super excited to get this. And when I saw this was in the box, I was so happy. And it also comes together with the Sex Kitten eyeliner. It's just like a basic black eyeliner. Very pretty packaging here. Looks like this. It's like a matte black packaging with gold. Tarte's Pro To Go. Ooh, that's so pretty. And those are the colors. Very pretty. Definitely up my alley. I love like the warmer eyeshadows. Let me do a couple swatch for you guys. So we're gonna swatch Hype, Crisp, and we're gonna swatch Dominate because those are gorgeous. And Boss, because that is beautiful. Right there on my arm, very pretty, very pigmented, and definitely creamy. Tarte is beautiful. I love their products. They have products that last all day, and they're more of a natural product, more of a natural brand. So I really enjoy them. Now this is the Sex Kitten eyeliner. That's such cute packaging. Has the cute little cat on it. That is so adorable, oh my gosh. And we're gonna give this a swatch to see. Oh, I am like pleasantly surprised. I did not know this was, oh wow, that's gorgeous. I didn't know this was a liquid liner. I thought this was just like your basic pencil liner. So it's like a beautiful dark black liquid liner. That is so pretty. Definitely pigmented. I am super happy about this because I'm running out of my eyeliner right now, and I use liquid eyeliner. That's like my favorite go-to eyeliner. And I like to do the winged eyeliner, so this is gonna be perfect. The next thing I see in this little package right here, Luna Fofo or Fufu. Guys, I would call this a Fufu, but you know what? I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. It says Foreo Luna, and that is F-O-F-O, which I'm guessing it's Fofo, but I would like to call it Fufu because that's cooler. But anyways, this looks like a facial cleansing device. This is super cute. So this is what it looks like. It's like a little like rubber facial cleansing sponge that has batteries. I love that I got the purple one. I saw that there was gonna be like all these different colors of this, and I was hoping to get purple or pink, I think was one of them, and that's like, those are my two favorite colors. So thank you, FabFitFun. Thank you so much for sending me purple. So yeah, let's see if this turns on. Ooh. So you just like rub it all over your face at night with your favorite cleanser, I'm guessing. Oh, it has a whole bunch of different like levels. This is gonna be nice to try out. What else do we have in this beautiful box? Aromatherapy Associates London, and it is their De-Stress Muscle Gel, and it focuses on soothing and just like aromatherapy, it looks like. It's a very pretty box. This is something that I didn't know was going to be in the box. This was one of my choices. I chose this over, I think it was a cleanser, a facial cleanser. I have so many of those that I was like, I'm gonna choose something new because I need to do something different than a face cleanser in my box. This smells so good, guys. This smells really relaxing. It smells like lavender and has like a spicy scent to it too, but not like in a bad way. Definitely very relaxing. I can definitely tell this would be nice to massage on after you work out really hard and you're just like getting a nice massage, or you can massage it on yourself. It says to apply generously and massage into overworked joints and muscles as often as necessary. It says experience the warming and easing powers of rosemary, black pepper, lavender, and ginger to de-stress your body after spending too long in one position or after too much physical activity. That will be so nice to use. So we'll put that over there. Whoops, I dropped it on the ground. My workspace is getting kind of cramped. This is such a nice box, guys. So the next item, this is something I did not know was in here. This is from Kula. So Kula Sport, and it is their organic sun scare, or sun scare. It's scary to be in the sun. Organic sun care moisturizer. Oh my gosh, this is really nice to get because I am almost out of my sunscreen moisturizer. This is what it looks like. Cute packaging, it's like orange inside, and then cute little bottle, and it looks like this. Oh, okay, so it's facial sunscreen. That's what it looks like. Let me read it here. It says, apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure, reapply after 80 minutes of swimming, da-di-da-di-do, da-di-da-di-day. So yeah, and it's made with white tea, and it's broad spectrum 50. I live in Texas, so I'm always putting sunscreen on. We go for morning walks like all the time, and this will be getting used like every day. The next item is from Elemis, and it's the papaya enzyme peel. This is what it looks like. I didn't know that this was going to be in that box as well. This is an exfoliant for your skin, and it says to leave on for 10 minutes. Yeah, this is to just give your face a nice exfoliation and get all the dead skin off. I've used a product like this before, and I really enjoyed it because it got my skin feeling like really smooth again. Sometimes I get texture on my face, and just to exfoliate like once a week or maybe once every 2 weeks, like really well with like a enzyme peel, definitely helps for like a smoother appearance. I have never heard of this brand before, but I'm excited to try it out. I think this is the last item in the bag or in the box. Got all these little like paper confetti in the box that get everywhere, all over the floor, but it makes for nice like packaging where things aren't breaking on the way to my house, so I appreciate it. Okay, so this is a makeup bag, a travel makeup bag, and this is from Yumikin. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. I'm sorry to the designer if I am right and if I am saying that wrong, but that's what it looks like to me. It's a beautiful little makeup travel bag. It has 2 compartments. So let's open up the top one here. See what that looks like. Oh, that's really nice. So that has a little coupon from the brand, and then it has like a zipper up here for items, and then it has a little brush carrying case, which I think that's so nice for traveling. Me and my husband and kids, we like to travel, like not all the time, but we do like to travel, so this will definitely come in handy for me to throw in my suitcase with just like my everyday makeup. So let's open up the other compartment, and this is just like a big deep compartment in there. So very nice, very cute, and definitely something that I will use. Let's make sure, oh, and let's see. So this is in the box. This is like a little, like a straw, and I'm guessing that the pamphlet will tell me what this is for. So let's read about this. So this box is raising awareness for the Wildlife Conservation Society. It says, a plastic straw has a lot more impact than you think. Imagine a graceful sea otter. It's swimming through the ocean and mistakes a plastic straw for a delicious meal. The next thing you know, the sea otter accidentally ingests the plastic and has a 50% chance of survival. So this straw, let's open this up here. It's a paper straw, so it's saying to just be aware of the plastic and to use more paper products. That is what it's saying, and this is the society that sponsored this box to give awareness to that. So yeah, that is like a really nice box, guys. Definitely a really good summer box. I've gotten a summer box at least once before, and this one definitely won. This one is really good. So yeah, guys, if you liked this FabFitFun unboxing, let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you guys get FabFitFun, or if you don't, are you going to sign up? Because this is like the best box ever. I don't get like a ton of subscription boxes, but out of the ones I do get, this is my favorite, and I'm always like the most excited about it because it just packs a punch. Every time you get it, you get like 8 to 10 full-size items that are usually like just blow you out of the water, and you're like, wow, how did they like pack those all in for like $49.99? If you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.